class. We've missed seeing you at South Carolina Children's Theater. I'm Imhoff, the musical theater movement. You might remember me from our Greatest Showman class. We've had some requests to just review the material that we did get to teach while we were in session, and I'm excited to go through the Greatest Show. We're going to do verse 1, and then I'll also tack on the chorus that we started to learn as well. All right, so let's just review from the beginning. Remember, we started facing away from the audience. You cross over with your right. You turn towards the front. Your focus is down. You stomp on the right foot. Your arms come out to a low V. Then you look up. Good. Then you take your foot. You pass it behind yourself. You stomp out. You look at the audience and you go down with your hands. We pan across the front. We jump together. Arms go up. They come back down and they take a stance at your chest and your belly. You breathe in, out, and in, up to your temples, across with your hands, flatten to open, push away. That's our first part, okay? After that, you did step, together, front, back, step, together, front, back, reach out, pull it in. So your hands come in as well as that foot in the back. 2 jumps, jump and pull, reach your arms out. Then we did a snake through your shoulders. Good. After that, we did our little rock star heel drops. We stepped out. Rock, 2, 3, 4 together. Rock, 2, 3, 4 together. You push forward and back, reach out and up. Oh, we pushed as though we're holding up the sky. Then we dropped our arms, drop, reach them out. Then we start the chorus. You reach your arm across, all the way up and over the big arc. Then you ran around like a runaway. 1, 2, 3, 4. You look towards the corner. You reach up with your hand, with your fingers splayed apart. Hold it back in. Then we came back together. Arms out. Last part, they lifted. We went sway, sway, push to the side. Shield from the sun. Push away. Reaching up, down, and back out. Heads up. And that's where we finished. Let's try it with the music. If you try this with your own music at home, we're starting around the 50-second mark, okay?
Ladies and gents, this is the moment you've
Slide back.
waited for.
Step it out.
Been searching in the dark, your sweat
Hands down,
soaking through the floor.
across.
And buried in your bones, there's a
Hands to
net
your chest.
that you can't ignore.
Up.
Taking your breath, still in your mind, and
Across,
all that was real
open,
is left
push. Here we go. Step,
Don't
to
fight
chest.
it, it's coming
Front,
from your
back,
mind
back,
and
step.
it's
Together.
only this moment, don't
back,
care what comes
front,
after.
pull.
You're feeling
2
the dream,
jumps.
can't you see you getting
Reach
closer?
out.
Just
Snake.
surrender cause you feel the feeling taking
Rock star.
over. It's fire, it's freedom, it's
And
flooding open. It's a picture in the pulpit
push
and your
forward.
blood devotion. There's something breaking at the brick of every wall.
Push
It's
up.
holding all that you know. So
Push
tell
it.
me, do you wanna go? Where it's coming in on a cloud of light.
Turn away.
Where the runaways are running the night. Impossible comes true.
Push it.
It's taking over you. We light it up, we won't come down. And the sun can't stop us now.
Roll it.
Watching it come true. It's taking over you.
Great job, everybody. Give yourselves a round of applause. We hope that you've been able to have some fun with us today, and we can't wait to see your faces again at South Carolina Children's Theater.